Alright, I'm about ready to start this 6-box break at Top Supreme. We have some teams that are unsold. If anybody wants them, you have to sign into chat. We got actually they didn't pay. It's like 6 teams we got. Let's see, we got. Anybody interested? Our unsold teams. Alright. Nobody's wanting those teams. I guess we'll get started. Alright. We'll start with the first box here. Good luck, everybody. I'll open all the boxes first, and then we'll get to the packs. Alright, here's our 6 packs. Let's see what we got. I'm going to open these nice and slow. Be very careful. Right. We got Demaryius Thomas, 97 of 112. Dion Jordan, 56 of 75. And we have Monty Ball, 52 of 170. And our hit is Cordarrelle Patterson for the Vikings, jumbo patch, 40 of 50. See if we can get the camera to focus on that. 40 of 50. Cordarrelle Patterson. Big old patch. First, we got Reggie Bush, 99 of 170. Tony Gonzalez, 49 of 50. Denard Robinson, 99 of 99. And our hit, Jerome Bettis for the Steelers, 13 of 20. That is a nice hit for the Steelers. See that, 13 to 20. That is an interesting autograph. 13 to 20. Nice hit there. I think that's a nice vet hit. We had a nice vet hit. And, nope, that's just the second hit we've got so far. First hit was a Cordarrelle Patterson jumbo patch. The second was that Jerome Bettis. All right, our first card here. Kenny Stills, 91 of 170. Barry Sanders, 22 of 50. Woot Kukui, 5 of 99. And our next hit, Kimbrell Tompkins for the Patriots, 17 of 75. Kimbrell Tompkins. We got Vikings, Steelers, and Patriots hit so far. Oh, is that? Might be. This is interesting. I see only 3 cards in this pack. Oh, I know why. It's not a redemption. It's a printing plate. We have a printing plate coming up. So we got Eli Manning, 71 of 99. Justin Houston, 106 of 170. Let's not reveal it too early here. Oh, there's 2 hits in this one. Well, let's reveal this one first. Le'Veon Bell. Another Steeler auto. 13 of 75. Le'Veon Bell. Nice auto there. Alright, now let's get to this interesting printing plate. Who could it be? Oh, that looks like Eric Dickerson? It is Eric Dickerson for the Rams. 1 of 1. Yellow printing plate. Nice. 2 hits in a pack. Non-autoed, but still very nice. 1 of 1. That's sweet. Who'd you have out there, Bean Man? Did you have the Rams? All right, first card, Denard Robinson, 80 out of 170. Ray Rice, 3 of 50. EJ Manuel, 87 of 99. And our next hit, Dion Jordan, 1 of 30. Auto patch. We've had Pittsburgh, Titans, and Cowboys. Well, you got 2 Pittsburgh hits. 1 of 30. Dion Jordan. All right, last pack. Let's see what we got here. No. This should be interesting for our last hit. Nice big card. All right, we got a Brett Favre, 56 of 112. Eddie Lacy, 20 of 99. The back card, Tyrann Mathieu, 164 of 170. And the hit, oh, well, it looks like 2 cards in a row for Eddie Lacy. Quad patch auto, 7 of 10. Wow. That is a nice hit for the pack right there. 7 of 10. Eddie Lacy. That is an expensive card right there. All right. Well, that's all the packs. We can do a quick hit recap here. Yep, sorry, no Colts this time. So we'll go through these real quick. Of course, these will be shipped out in nice big top loaders. All right, our first hit. It was a Cordarrelle Patterson for the Vikings. 40 of 50. We also had a printing plate. Eric Dickerson. The yellow printing plate. We had Le'Veon Bell, 13 of 75 auto. Le'Veon Bell. Also, Kenbrell Tompkins, 17 of 75 auto for the Patriots. Kenbrell. Jerome Bettis, 13 of 20. Nice hit for the Steelers right there. And we had Dion Jordan jersey patch, 1 of 30. Dion Jordan. And probably the hit of the break here, Eddie Lacy. Quad patch auto, 7 of 10. Nice card. All right, everybody, thanks for joining us for this break. We'll post the hits up on our Facebook page. If you go to facebook.com/farsportscards, we'll have the hits up there shortly. Also, our videos will be up on YouTube at youtube.com/farsportscards, and we'll post the link on our Facebook also. We have another break that's ending tomorrow. It's for Don Russ. Random teams. I think it's only like $12 a team, so get on eBay and check out that. And the break for that will happen Saturday. The bidding ends tomorrow. And then we also will be posting a mixer. Starting tonight, we'll post it. It's going to be 1 box of Inception, 1 box of Crown Royal, 1 box of Momentum, and 1 box of Panini Playbook. It's going to be a 4-box break. It's going to be pretty sweet. We'll be posting that tonight, and then that should end Sunday night, and we'll be breaking it Monday. Of course, if you have any questions, just hit us up on eBay or hit us up on our Facebook page.